just received my new Xiaomi gateway hub and the Aqara new thermostat. So a quick little unboxing here from the UK. And they're a lot smaller than what I was expecting, which is good. So that's the gateway with the Chinese plug. And luckily I ordered a UK adapter as well. That is extremely small. Little Chinese booklet, a little pin for resetting, and that's the new Aqara thermostat. And that is so small. Just as a comparison for sizing, that's the new Google Home Hub that I've just purchased. So that's a very quick unboxing.